Hey guys, from the Thoughtful Gardener. I wanted to talk to you a little bit today about dwarf fruit trees. Here you can see Asian pear, and this is on a dwarf stock. So this one's called 20th century. Now, what's going to happen with some of your dwarf fruit trees is you're going to need a pollinator, which means you need a tree that can pollinate the other. So this is also an Asian pear. These will be their third season they've been in the ground. We haven't had any pears yet, but that's okay. And this one is called Hoisu Asian pear, and definitely is, you see it's pollinized by Shinko, Kojuro, Bartlett, or 20th century, which you just saw right over here. So really, really important when you are thinking about purchasing your trees that you make sure that you can get a tree that's going to pollinate your others. Now, why did I select dwarf trees here? Well, one is I wanted to make it super easy to be able to harvest these trees when it comes time to pick fruit. I don't want to have to get on a ladder, and I wouldn't recommend that for a homeowner. It's going to be a little bit too cumbersome. But in addition, what we want to do with these trees this year is espalier them. So they're just to the right side where we can start doing that. And that's what we're hoping to do. So I had these posts placed, and I'm going to be working with a professional to start to train these trees to make them an espalier, which will keep their size very, very, very compact, which is going to be really great. Now, this is two of my favorite, called a Crimson Crisp. If you are a Honeycrisp fan, this is a smaller, slightly sweeter version of the Honeycrisp. And I love crisp apples, and so does my niece. So planted two of those here. So we're going to continue this tradition, and we're going to put two more trees down in that area where you don't see them. But I want to encourage you to start thinking about your dwarf trees now, because it can become very difficult to get exactly what you want. So you're going to need to order them this time of year, and then they will be shipped to you when it's an appropriate time to plant. As I recall, these trees were sent to me kind of in a February, March time frame, which seems really super early, but believe it or not, we were able to actually get some peaches off my dwarf peach tree. So Mr. Lynx is up here keeping score for us. Hi, Lynxie. But what we're trying to do is get more people to grow more food in smaller spaces, and one way you can do that is dwarf fruit trees. Take care and garden thoughtfully.